How to add dual clock to Android lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add dual clock to Android lock screen. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your settings application on your device. Scroll down and locate the option of additional settings. Tap on it. Select date and time. And under this section you will get dual clock at bottom of the screen. This will help you to display two clocks whenever you are outside your usual time zone. And once you are on this page or once you get access to dual clock, toggle the button on. And here you have to enter your usual residence. And once you have selected your usual residence, tap the set button. And here you can tap display dual clock on and choose lock screen only. Once you have done that, when you lock your screen, you will be able to find out the dual clocks on the lock screen. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.